Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Mama Bear's Homestead and More. On today's episode of What in the World is Poppy Bear Doing? Well, we're out in the shop. Floor's wet. Heat's not working. But hey, let's get after it. Gotta get this G. Gotta get working on this G. It's, for some reason, has become priority number one. So let's get the cultivators taken off of it. See how big a job that is. I've never done this before, but it don't look that complicated. I think we can do it, guys. So I'm gonna grab some wrenches and I'll be right back. Got the wrong size socket, guys. Well, this side's a different size nut, but that's all right. So we kept that socket in our pocket. Whew. It's cold, guys. It is cold. Okay. That off. Bolt back in the hole. Well, we know where it goes. Alright, so I think we just knock these little wedge things out. got just a little wedge that goes down there. And probably be better to take that wedge out over there before we get it all bound up. This still has some sort of chain on it. Yeah. Oh. Go. Got it out. There. So it looks like these just picks up out of that bracket there. Okay. Go the other side and we'll pick it up out of the bracket. There we go. Okay, we got the cultivator dropped off the G. Now we'll move you guys back and see if we can't get it drag out forward or drag out this way. I'm very impressed that ain't no heavier than what it is. I love a success story. I really do. But yeah, guys, right there is a Model G cultivator. Right there is a G without no implements under it. Real excited. Okay, this bar here, please. Okay, we're gonna have to go to the books for this, so learn how to tighten this up and actually see where it needs to be, because I know it don't need to be cockeyed on an angle, but yeah, I'm super happy about this, guys. I've been kind of not worried, but I didn't know how hard it would be to get that tool off of it. Okay. Awesome. But guys, I know that was not very much content, good content at that. Well, it was good content because I'd never done that before, so I I know there's other people out in the world that's never taken the tool off of the Allis-Chalmers G. Probably because they don't have a G, but you know. But I'm gonna leave this one here. Hopefully the shop warms up and we can get back to working on this, but it ain't looking good for a couple days, guys. So not real sure where we're gonna be at on that, but we are knocking on the door of 1 year on YouTube. And if you'd have told me a year ago that our YouTube would be doing as well as it is, I would have told you you're crazy. And that's all possible from you guys. I mean, you guys like our content, you subscribed, you liked, you leave comments, and all I can say is thank you guys. We got some big exciting things coming up here soon. Just trying to get some details worked out on all that, but we're not done. So I'm gonna leave this video here, and as always, keep on keeping on, my friends, because we love every single one of you.